Here I am in Mumbai for my 15 days CLDP, and it's been 5 days already, and I would felt that I should share my experience with you all. So here are a few questions which generally comes in the mind of everyone who wants to do their CLDP. So very first question is when I should enroll for it and what is the mandatory things for it. So let me tell you, you have to first undergo the online CLDP, for which you are going to complete your training. So as we proceed from our training, the 21 months training as per the current syllabus, we upload our number one, the training completion certificate from our trainer, and the project report which is required to be prepared by you, on which there is a viva voce which will be covered in the videos later on. Stay tuned for that. For the project report, once you submit, so you have to keep a buffer of 3 to 4 days, a working days especially, to get it approved by the institute. Next comes applying for the online CLDP. Now this is something that you must do rigorously, because this one particular set of video contains lot of faculties and they have good knowledge over different matters, including secretarial aspects, the secretarial standards. We have the business perspective. आई नो फ्यू ऑफ यू विल से दैट हमने तो बस जो वीडियो है वो चला करके छोड़ दिया एंड वी डिडंट बॉदर्ड अबाउट व्हाट it really takes. However, I would suggest that for specialization, there are two fields. One is securities law, one is GST. So you can choose between these two to complete your CLDP for specialization. The very first 7-day video will be the same, and for the last 8-day जो video का from 8 to 15, that will be on a specialization, and that will be on either securities law or on GST. So that is on your choice. You have to choose any one and complete that one only. Okay, if you start both, it won't work. Second, after every particular session, you have to give an assessment, and which generally comprises of the questions which are being taught in the session, or it is of general knowledge. Now, once you complete this, there will be one completion certificate like this in the portal. You have to download it and you need to upload it on the 15 days online CLDP. I show you here. When you upload this, you again take 2 or 3 days time before your registration for the physical CLDP. So the physical CLDP will take place only after your online CLDP certificate has been submitted. Now the question comes, कितना टाइम लगेगा ऑनलाइन CLDP करने में? ऐसे तो 15 दिन कहते हैं, and it is around 8,000 plus minutes to
It's been 84 years.
complete it all with examination once you clear it out. So my suggestion would be choose the travel time for completion. Do it in well in advance so that you have time, and you, whenever the next batch comes for CLDP, you can find it out. So in our physical CLDP, we generally have practical analysis or a case study based training over here. Whatever points we learn on a daily basis, that contributes to our attributes. So what you should do and what is there. So we had a business case study on how to set up a business on Pluto, and whether how we will be running that business for 20 long years so that no other player can beat us. So that was one of the case study that we discussed with Reshma ma'am. Another day we had a session on IBC. In IBC session, we had the faculty who discussed a case study on IBC. Means there is one corporate debtor who did the default, and the operational creditors, they filed a case against the corporate debtor. So how we would be proceeding? We were divided into teams. One team was corporate debtor, one team was operational creditors, we were the resolution applicants, and then we did the discussion and we submitted our bids over there. And that is how the session was carried on. So in case you have more questions on CLDP and what is more left on in my CLDP journey, stay tuned. Signing off, Supriya.